Hello friends, my name is Mullah Khadir and today I am going to discuss with you about my project which is based upon military applications. I am studying BTech in CBIT College Produttur. With the help of my group members, I have successfully completed my project and I will discuss about it with you. And this is wireless camera which is named as labeled as Streacam, and this camera is will works over the Wi-Fi, and this also works in the night time using infrared night vision technology to these sensors, and this can rotate 360 degrees up and down and left and right. And coming to this board, this is a ARM board which is LPC2148, and these are sensors, ultrasonic sensors, metal detector and M27 sensor. The projects mainly based upon the military applications to detect bombs, to detect harmful gases and to detect objects on the backside of the robot, and the camera is to observe the enemies and our country survivors who are trained at the border areas. And this total vehicle is powered by 12 volts battery, and thus power supply is given to the total body, and this body consists 4-wheel fiber chassis, and this vehicle is controlled by accelerometer, receiver, and this is a transmitter, and this will works with our hand movements and gestures. And let me explain very clearly about each module and each sensor in detail. Let's start. First of all, we discuss about the 4-wheel fiber chassis, which consists of 4 wheel, and this 4 wheel, each wheel consists of motor, DC motor, 3 volts motor, and this the other one is metal detector, which we'll discuss later. And the 4 wheels are connected to the accelerometer receiver end by the help of L293D motor driver, which is this. The 4 meters attached to this, and this is a decoder circuit which is HT12D, and this is RF 433 MHz receiver module. An antenna is a voltage regulator which converts 12 volts to 5 volts, and a power on switch, power socket, and power indication LED. And this LED is when the transmitter is powered on, and this LED will glow. It means that transmitter and receivers are connected together. And this is receiver end is attached with the accelerometer transmitter and works by the hand gestures. And let's talk about transmitter. And this is a accelerometer transmitter. It consists 8 mega IC, and upon this is accelerometer module which is works on XYZ coordinates and by our hand gestures. And this is voltage regulator which requires 9 volts power supply, and it converts to 5 volts, and it's a encoder IC HT12E, and the switches, power on switch, and the RF 433 MHz transmitter module, and LED, power indication LED, and this is power socket. Let's power on. For this transmitter it requires 12 volts battery. This is 12 volts battery. And just supply it. And power on. As you show, the power is supplied, and then we switch on the transmitter. As you see, when the power switch on the power supply, the other LED is automatically on, which shows that transmitter and receiver are connected together, and the signals are transmitted to the antenna. Let's see. In this transmitter, this is left, right, front, back. Let's see. Now we will write into right position. Oh, sorry, it is left. It is right. And this is back. That is too heavy to carry. And this is front. By this step, the accelerometer module works on the vehicle. And next we will discuss about the metal detector. Now we will discuss metal detector, which is situated under the fiber chassis, and this is powered by 9 volts power supply, which is placed here, and by this we connected to a switch, and the power supply goes by this circuit to the metal detector, which is under. I show you. The yellow and black wires are power supply, and the white and red color wires are digital output data pins. The circuit is this. It has a variable resistor, this, which can vary, and this power on it. This is a power switch, and now this supply is on. As you see, the supply is on, and when you place a metal nearby it, it will create sound. We take some metal, as you see, the LED is turning red, and some beeping sound is provided by the speaker, and the digital output data is given to the ARM processor, which indicates a LED on, and that we'll discuss later. This is called metal detector. Let's power on off, and next we will discuss this, which is carbon monoxide sensor MQ7, and let's talk about it. Now we will discuss about MQ7 sensor, which is carbon monoxide sensor. It detects harmful gases like carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide leaks whenever there is a fire or anything harmful material which burns. In the oxygen, it creates carbon monoxide, such as in military areas. It detects some bomb explosions. To show you output of carbon monoxide sensor, I connected this sensor to the ARM board. On each module, like ultrasonic sensor and the metal detector sensor, the complete we'll discuss later. First of all, I want to show you the working of carbon monoxide sensor. Let's see. Let's power on the board. We power on. Let's see the carbon monoxide is on or not. It's on. Let's give the input to carbon monoxide sensor, the lighter. It emits some carbon monoxide with the help of this gas. As we see, there is any output or not. On the back side of the sensor, when it detects the carbon monoxide, it will glow a green LED. Yes, it detects the carbon monoxide, and the LED will glow on the upper side. This shows the carbon monoxide is working well. It detects carbon monoxide and this carbon monoxide is given to the ARM board so that it can read the signals and then show the output as a LED glow indication, and the LCD will show you display of gas detector when the LED is on. This way the M27 sensor, which is carbon monoxide sensor, will works. And next we will discuss about the wireless camera, which is SreeCam wireless camera, and discuss about it. Let's start. Now we are discussing about the wireless camera, and it is a SreeCam wireless camera. It works with an Wi-Fi along with an LAN cable and requires 5 volts DC power, and it has a memory slot. It supports up to 32 GB, and this is its ID and password. And I will show you how to set up this. Let's power this device. Power on. To set up this, we require a LAN cable. This is a LAN cable. And plug it in the LAN cable. And we need to download the app. Which is called SreeCam. And we need to register with our mail. And then you have to log in. And then we need to press the add new device. And let's put the device name, device number that will be shown in the under the camera, and let's type the password, which is default 88888. And then it will show that device is online. If you want to modify the password, then modify the password, otherwise just simply skip the settings and then enter your Wi-Fi password. And then next. And it shows that your device is online. Just press the device. Let's open. You can move the device. And to talk, just hold the mic button on the app and just talk. Hello,
Hello,
hello.
hello.
Just like this, we can talk with this app. This is how to set the Streacam camera. This requires 5 volts DC power supply, and whenever you are over, just simply press back button. That's it. To use this cam without a LAN cable, after the setting, just pull out the LAN cable and put this cam wherever you want and just give the power supply, and then open your app. Just pull out the LAN cable, put wherever you want, just open your app. The app, you will see that your device is online. And it will open your device without the LAN cable, only over the Wi-Fi network, and you can operate the cam over the Wi-Fi network. This is a simple and fast technique to use the cam over the Wi-Fi. That's it, friends. And after the use, you just need to the back button and log out. Now, discuss about the ARM board processor and the modules, which is ultrasonic sensor, which is this located on this side, the carbon monoxide sensor, which is M27 sensor, and the metal detector. This board is ARM7 board, which is LPC2148. This is a controller processor, and this is a voltage regulator, and the LCD display. The total setup is shown in by you, and these pins are port 0 pins are used for input and outputs. The ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins, which is ground, VCC, trigger, and echo. The ground VCC are given to the common power supply circuit, which is located on this side, and the common output power supply is taken by here, which is 5 volts, and the trigger pin is given to the 6th pin, and echo pin is given to the 7th pin of P0 port, and the 4th pin is given to the MQ7 sensor, which is carbon monoxide sensor, and the 5th pin is given to the metal detector. And outputs are here, which is 16, 17, 18 pins for the LEDs as you shown this. And let's power on this processor and see the outputs. As you power on, first we see the output of ultrasonic sensor, which will detect around 20 centimeters. As we see, as it detects my hand about 20 centimeters from there, it works fine. Now we will check the metal detector by using a metal. I place this on the metal detector. It's also working fine. It is detected. Now we will check the carbon monoxide sensor by using a lighter. Yes, it's also detected very fine. The MQ7 sensor, the output is blue LED, and the metal detector is green LED, and the ultrasonic sensor is red LED. And this switch is for common power supply, which is by enabling this we can supply the power to the total board and the circuitry. And in this side, this switch is for providing output 5 volts DC power supply to the camera module, and the down switch is used to power on the metal detector and the batteries placed under the body. And the LCD display is used to display the parameters of the ultrasonic sensor, and while it detects, it's shown as ultrasonic detected, and while the gas is detected, is shown gas detected, and while the metal is detected, it shows metal detected. By this step, then we can complete the military robot, and these LEDs are for outputs, and this button is for power supply, and this button is for enabling the programming mode and normal mode. Okay friends, this is my complete robot which I placed a cardboard upon it to look at as military robot. This is the accelerometer transmitter. Thank you friends for watching, and Jai Hind.